Welcome to this tutorial on how to use WalletConnect in Trust Wallet. WalletConnect is a protocol that enables users to connect their cryptocurrency wallets to web applications, allowing for a seamless and secure interaction between the wallet and the website. To get started, open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will find the WalletConnect option. Tap on it to begin the connection process. You will be presented with a QR code scanner, which you will use to scan the QR code provided by the web application you wish to connect to. Before proceeding, ensure that you have the web application open and ready to connect. This could be a decentralized finance platform, a non-fungible token marketplace, or any other website that supports WalletConnect. Once you have the QR code ready, go back to your Trust Wallet app and scan the code using the QR code scanner. This will establish a connection between your wallet and the web application. You will then be prompted to review and approve the connection request, which will include the permissions that the web application is requesting. It is essential to carefully review these permissions, as they determine what actions the web application can perform on your behalf. If you are satisfied with the permissions, tap on the Approve button to complete the connection process. After approving the connection, you will be redirected back to the web application, where you can now interact with it using your Trust Wallet. You can perform various actions such as sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, approving transactions, and more. When using WalletConnect, it is crucial to follow best practices to ensure the security of your wallet and assets. Always verify the website and the permissions it is requesting before approving the connection. Additionally, never share your wallet seed phrase or private keys with anyone, as this can compromise the security of your wallet. In conclusion, using WalletConnect in Trust Wallet is a straightforward process that enables users to interact with web applications in a secure and seamless manner. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can safely and efficiently use WalletConnect to enhance your cryptocurrency experience.